Hey guys, today we got a cab by fiberglass Century Ultra. Fits a 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram. Full-size trucks with a 6'4" bed. PR8 Red is the color. It's more like a purple. But it has some minor problems in it. Majorly it's fine. It does have some paint issues though. Get up here, we've got a little bit of a scratch here at the top. A little bit of a paint nick from the window rubbing that. A couple small chips in here and up there. Top and top edge look through here look pretty good. The front here, we've got a couple chips there, another chip there. Bottom edge looks nice. There's a small chip right there. You can kind of see it. And a couple small chips there in the corner. Has the third side sliders on the side. Front sliding window. Has a couple chips here on the front edge. Pretty much all the way across the, get into here behind the brake light. You got some probably rubbing against the brake light. A couple spots right there. And a couple spots right there. Got a small chip there. Don't look too bad behind the cab here, between the cab and the cap. So it does have a sliding window in it, so latch there opens that up so you can reach in between the cap and the cab and the cab and the cap. Close that back up. Latch that. It's got some scratches or chips and scratches here on the top on this side as well. Right in through there. Just pretty much all small stuff. It's just they're there. A couple right there. Same thing as the other side. You've got a wear mark where the window's rubbed against the paint. A little bit of a chip there, and then around the bottom edge of that window, you've got the same kind of wear points on the paint. Small chip on the bottom edge. Scratch there. A couple chips. Some minor chips just here and there, through there, and a little bit of a scratch there at the bottom, and then one right there. Same thing on this side. Third side sliders. Double T-handle locking rear door. Got some scratches in the door opening there. Probably from working through the door, carrying stuff in and out. Opens up, it is bare fiberglass on the inside. Screens look pretty good on this side. Small hole right there. Sliding window in the front. On this side, screen looks good. Not seeing any holes on this screen at all. Build sheet, it's really kind of hard to read. It's old, but it's I don't know, honestly it's pretty hard to read it. Serial number right there. There it is. Got a cab high Century Ultra. It's a 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram with a 6'4" bed. PR8 Red, it's more like a purple color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. You can purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for like cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased online from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck and you're waiting, you know, to see if we get something in, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in. So you want to subscribe below to kind of keep up to date on that stuff that's coming in. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.